Ezyzip.
How to convert folder to online website easily. First, go to ezyzip.com, then click on Compress, Folder, and it will take you to Zip Folder tool. Click Select Folder to compress to bring up the folder chooser. Click Zip Folder. It will start compressing the contents of the folder. Once all the files are compressed, the Save Zip File button will appear. Click Save Zip File to save the folder archive to your selected destination folder. Next, go to TinyHost, link in the description. Click Upload File button, then select the zip file you created using Ezyzip. You can customize the name for the website. Click on Publish and let the TinyHost do its magic. And done! The website is now live. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.
Ezyzip.